Morning everyone, this is Dr. Sami Sugamathu, Department of Civil Engineering, Ministry of Science and Technology. Today's topic is resolution. Resolution refers, as per the remote sensing concern, the finest details can be measured from the image. That is called resolution. There are various types of resolutions are there, which include spatial resolution, spectral resolution, temporal resolution, and radiometric resolution. As per the application, the types of resolution may vary. Let us start with the spatial resolution. The spatial resolution refers to the minute element can be measured from an image, that is called spatial resolution. And this spatial resolution, especially high resolution satellites, are used for any urban planning. So here, the high resolution in the sense, the spatial resolution values are very high. The minute detail can be measured from this high resolution satellite data. It can be used very effectively for measuring the individual buildings, vehicles. So urban planning, like large scale urban planning, can be used with high resolution, high spatial resolution data products. Spectral resolutions, how the system distinguishes uh, the wavelength interval, which is based on the spectral resolution values are determined. And the spectral resolutions, it can be classified into multispectral and hyperspectrals. As for the hyperspectral concern, the n number of or 100 numbers of bands, narrow bands are used for hyperspectral data products, whereas multispectral, few number of bands, for instance, maybe 4 bands or 3 bands, can be used in the spectral, multispectral imaging concern. Temporal resolution, anything concerned with time. If you want to analyze the urban changes in a particular area, so you can take the temporal data. That means the data is taken as a different time interval, a time period, used as input to measure the urban changes in a particular region. So with reference to time, then it is called a temporal resolution. Radiometric resolution, it deals with how the difference of how uh, the difference of intensity or brightness in an image is used to measure the radiometric resolution. And so these also used to measure the subtle changes in vegetation, soil noises, can be used to identify very effectively by means of radiometric resolution. So these are various resolution and used for different applications. As I mentioned, high spatial resolution is used for measuring individual building, and temporal resolution used to measure the urban changes with reference to time. Radiometric resolution used to analyze soil moisture or vegetation health monitoring purpose. Spectral resolution used for vegetation analysis.